Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zimbiat. If you're new here, kind of like and subscribe to my YouTube, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for always. So today I'm gonna talk about something really different because I just feel, I was thinking about it, like I want to talk about this. Every day is not all about vlogging and everything, but first of all, if you've been on my Instagram, I'm gonna put my Instagram and on this video, and if you've been watching my Instagram stories, my post on Twitter and everything, I talked about getting my first collaboration. I am a very new YouTuber. I started YouTube about 4 months ago, and I'm telling you guys, because today I'll be talking about how to edit YouTube videos, right? But I'm just gonna tell you guys, like, if you're a beginner, you can actually get a collaboration. So this video is actually sponsored by Luisa, which is my first brand collaboration. You know, I got a collaboration 4 months after starting my YouTube channel from Luisa Jewellery. I had to check about Luisa Jewellery, you know, online. And guys, before I started, when I got the mail, I was, you know, skeptical. Is this real? Is this real? Then I had to check online. Then I saw, okay, this is a very big brand. This is the kind of brand, you know, I want to, like, you know, partner with, because I mean, say if I ever want to be with a brand, it has to be a brand that I can wear. It has to be something I can talk about. You know, I don't want to be those kind of influencers that, you know, you just have stuffs, you get stuffs and you can't even wear it. You know, this brand collaboration from Luisa, and guys, I got my first package from them. When I got the jewelries, guys, I was super surprised because it's just totally my style, you know, classy and simple, not extra. It defines you. So I'm gonna be showing some of the pieces I got because I'll be going out today and I'm gonna be wearing Luisa jewelry. So yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see that right now because it's really dark. I'm just gonna put the pictures just beside, but I'm gonna be wearing this jewelry today. I'm gonna be wearing this earring and this today from Luisa. Look at the packaging material. It is super nice, classy, different. You know, when most jewelries come, they come in, like, you know, boxes and everything, but this is quite different. It's something I can actually keep. Like right now I'm not in my city and I can't put like two or three jewelries inside here, and it's like perfect. So you guys need to check out Luisa. I'm gonna put their link on this video in the description so you guys can check out the brand. So guys, let's get into what I'm gonna talk about today. I want to talk about how to edit your videos as a beginner, how to edit your YouTube video as a beginner. I have like some people on my Snapchat that kept asking me, oh, and I have like some questions on my YouTube video, like what do you use to shoot your video and how do you edit your video as a beginner? Because, you know, most people feel like it's like a long process. You know, starting a YouTube, it's like it's a big deal, you know. I feel like I say a lot of, you know, and like, sorry. So one misconception I need to change is that you don't need to have you don't need to buy a camera. You can start with your phone. So editing your videos start from the moment you're shooting your videos, right? So there's this misconception. People feel like I have to get a big camera. Right now I'm using a camera, but I start with my phone, and I would, you know, I start with this. I think this is iPhone 13. I started with iPhone 13. You can actually use iPhone 11, whatever phone you're using, Samsung, whatever phone, Android or whatever, you can use your phone. But one thing you need to know is you have to shoot your videos in, because when I started, the first video I did, I shot like this. So for a wider reach and everything, you have to shoot your videos in landscape, right? So wherever you're going to, you have to shoot your videos in landscape. That's number one thing. Don't shoot your videos like this. Nah, not for YouTube, right? So if you have a phone and you want to start your YouTube, you need to learn to shoot your videos like this wherever you're going to. And also settings, also set your camera. Because I use an iPhone, I'm just gonna show you the settings I use on my phone. So I go to the camera settings, right? When you go to the camera settings, I go and I put my phone on 4K. I go to the camera settings and I record my video. I record my video using 4K at 60 FPS, and you can also record your video maybe 4K at 30 FPS, depending on, you know, the way you want your video to be. Then I see something online, people always say you should turn off your HDR, but I have mine turned on, so I don't know, whichever works for you. So you need to set your camera. That is number one thing you need to do as a YouTuber. You need to set your camera. Then right now I'm using a camera. I'm using Sony ZV-1, which is good. I had to watch some YouTube videos on how to like set my camera. I'm still trying to get the hang of it, but it's alright. And I use another thing you need to get again is get a light, because when you go out you don't want to be shooting and, you know, it's dark, it's not looking nice. Whatever videos you're putting out, it starts from your recording, it starts from the processing, you know, the production. So you need to get a light. I have a light here. Because I'm not using the right light right now. You can get this light and you can get one for the phone. This one is for my camera, and you should also get like a tripod, you know, so wherever you're going to, a mini tripod or a selfie stick, you know, to help you. So that's what you need when you're recording your video. And also you need good lighting, right? I am still a beginner, so this is for a beginner. If you think I need to like improve on anything, please kindly drop in my comment section. I am open to, like, you know, advices and everything. So yeah, that is for my recording. So while recording, if you're using your phone, because I'm not using my phone and I'm not home right now, how I've shown you, I've got like a what's it called, a microphone. You can get a microphone to filter the noise. I don't have a microphone for my camera yet. If it's just so good, it makes the production really nice. So that's what I'll just say while you're recording. So let's get into how I edit my YouTube videos. Before I get into how you need to edit your videos, you should download these apps. I recommend you should download Canva for your thumbnail. You should download Capcut. You should download InShot. As a beginner, you need these three apps for a quality YouTube video. I have Capcut, InShot, and I have Canva. Some people use Adobe, I don't know, but I don't know how to use it. So as a beginner, these are the three apps I use for my editing. Let's talk about making intros first. For intros for your video is very, very important. You know, the intros where it says, like, I'm gonna give you an example right now. Maybe my name is Zimbiat. Now you must have seen the intro of this video, Zimbiat Adepoju. You can't do that on Canva. Just go to Canva. I'm gonna show you how I did some videos, you know, some intros. Just go to Canva and put like YouTube intro. Search. You don't, sometimes you have to pay if you want like a pro, you know, thing, but a beginner, I feel like you should start from like free. I use free. So you go to Canva and you get like a certain template, right? Just put search YouTube intro, you know, intro video, and it's gonna give you like video. Then you put whatever your pictures, you know, just edit it and make it look nice. That is how I get my YouTube intro. And Canva has like different fonts. You can change your fonts, make it playful. If you're doing, it depends, sometimes it depends on the mood of the video. If you're doing like hygiene shopping, you want it to be a little bit fun. If you're doing night out with the girls or travel, you know, you can't put like travel whatever. It's gonna just give you different templates. You can also get template on CapCut, right? But I use Canva most times. That is like number one for the intro. Then for your preview, you know, the one you do, you say, I say a lot of you know, sir, pardon me. The one you do, you say, coming up, just pick like some places, you know, that you really like from the video, like, you know, people would like to watch, people like, we make people anticipate what you have in your videos. So just cut them, and you can cut and duplicate in your Capcut, right? Then put them in front of your video. So what I do, if I'm going to be editing this video right now, I put everything on my Capcut, I put my intro. One thing I would suggest you do is arrange your videos the way you want them to be, straight from the beginning. Not like you want to come back to them, because sometimes you just forget some things and it's just so stressful. So when you go on Capcut, you put your intro, you put your preview, right? And you put your intro, and you put like your videos in like sections and everything. Then your outro video. You can also get the outro video from Canva as well, right? So, and on Capcut, you've got like fonts, different fonts, text. You can write text, maybe coming up or preview, with different font. Play around with the font and the colors. Also, you can also get to edit your videos on Capcut, like the quality, the redness. Like for example, the background of this video I'm wearing, this is gold, so I'm gonna use more of yellow, you know, blue. You know, sometimes I don't want yellow. I'm gonna reduce the saturation. You can't just edit like that. Go to the HSL, you edit your videos from there to make it really nice. You can also smoothen your skin on Capcut. So if your skin is not looking so nice, just do a little bit. You don't want to do too much. Just go to retouch. You're gonna see smoothing skin right there. How to add music on Capcut. How to add music to your YouTube video. So when you go to Capcut, one problem people have is putting copyright movies. Like you don't want to put movies that is gonna affect your YouTube video later. So you don't want to put music that is going to affect your YouTube video later. So what I do, how I get my own music, I'm just going to tell you guys, because I have some people that ask me like, how do you get your music? I go on TikTok and I get, maybe for example, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I get like a cover. I just put like Barbie song cover. Then I save the video, like covered songs that people have done. I save them on my phone. Then I go to like my Capcut. When I'm recording, you can see, when you go to like audio, you can see sounds. There are some sounds there, but if you want like, you know, normal music, maybe Burna Boy's music, maybe Wizkid's music or something, you just go and you see extracted. You just go there and you extract the song, right? And just insert it inside your video. Yeah, that's it. Simple. Also, you can also do voiceover if you want to talk about something like hello, how you doing? You can also do that there. So that is for music. That is for music. So you have your extracted audio. You can do it from your files and everything. Another thing you can also do on Capcut is you can add effect to your video. If you want your video to like zoom in, like now I can zoom in directly from my camera, but if I wanted to zoom in on my from my Capcut, you can get the zoom lens. You can get some different effects if you want it to go black and white. If you see different effects, you know, on Capcut. That is that. Another thing is adding stickers to your YouTube video. Just go to stickers. You see where it says subscribe, and if you put your subscribe and you know the subscribe sticker, you can put like an animation if you want it to like bounce in your video or just zoom in. Then you can add audio to it straight from, you just go back to that audio, you get different sounds. You can put like keyboard, maybe subscribe somebody typing, or bell and everything. So that is that. Also, another thing on your Capcut you can do is overlay. You can overlay videos, right? That's how to make your video a little bit interesting. For example, what I'm going to be doing in this video, all this screen record and put it on top of this video. It's like an overlay. So when you click on overlay, it says add overlay, then you pick a video, whatever video you want, and you just put it there, and you can freestyle. You see animation and everything. You can also speed up your video, reduce the speed, right? So yeah, that's it. After editing, I always make sure to, sometimes I download my videos I save my videos with 1080p resolution and 30 frame rate. But sometimes if it's a short video, I use 2K or 4K, but that is like really high. It's gonna take a lot of space. So after doing that, then I download to my phone. Thumbnails are very, very important for your videos to go far. So what I do, I go to my Canva, and you want to pick very nice thumbnail, because I still find it hard to pick thumbnail. You don't want to pick thumbnail of you doing something or random thing. You want it to look beautiful so that other people think like a consumer. If they see this video, they're gonna click on it. So just try to, like, you go to Canva and just put YouTube thumbnail or travel vlog thumbnail, cooking video thumbnail, YouTube. Make sure it's YouTube because it has to be, there's a particular frame rate. So that's what I do to edit my video. And that's that about thumbnail. Last thing is uploading my video. Always make sure to upload your video using laptop. Very, very important. Don't upload your video using what's it called, using phone. Upload with your laptop, because, and I would advise you to download TubeBuddy, so it helps you monitor. You can get like a whole analytics of your video, how your video is doing. Also download YouTube Studio, so when you don't have your laptop, you can actually check what's going on, like comment, and a lot analysis of your video. Last thing I want to say is we're all new. We're just starting. I'm just starting. Like, sometimes it can be so annoying. You're not getting a lot of views. You put in so much effort, you're not getting a lot of views. And sometimes some videos you never thought about. Like, there's this video, my eyes view is 11,000, and I did the same video, I got less than 200 views. So it's just so crazy, right? But one thing you do is, if you enjoy, because I enjoy doing YouTube videos, creating vlogs. If you enjoy, just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. Trust me. Don't give up. Just keep doing it, and you keep getting better. We're all new, and if you feel like I need to improve in some stuff, kindly put in the comments section. I am open to advices. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I love you guys.